Hi, beautiful people. I laugh after every time I say that. Today we're gonna go on a sunset boat cruise, me and my friends, for the free skis, and I'm taking you guys with me. You're welcome. I'm running late yeah, a little late per usual, and I'm gonna do my makeup in the car. So enjoy. Froggy or cabbage. The baby is unnaturally green. Can I say 3:32? Or just say 3:30? 3:30. We can knock off those two. The lady is unnaturally. No one more so wicked. Sunny. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Oh. Hey, 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 lover. Yes, I figured it out. Stabilizer on the jaw. Did you guys go to the I don't know if it was good, but it's cute. Pop it. Oh, pop it, girl. Give it up. Yes, ma'am. Oh. Cheers. Say hi. They didn't have vegan options, so no business. No vegan options, no business. Slay. Not the red light. Hi, I'm back. It's been a minute since I recorded. I don't know. I think it was that bodega. So we did the boat. It was so much fun. It was beautiful, gorgeous, chill, not too cold, not too humid. And then we went to the wharf to try and eat, but they didn't have any vegan options, but they usually do. I think, but they didn't. So we ended up going to Bodega. I got the burrito, I got the yuca fries. It was lit, I was full, it was great. And now I'm back at my boyfriend's house, and this is my view. Say hi, Goofy. Say hi, angel boy. Yeah, he's an angel. But thank you for going on the boat day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of content you want to see. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.